Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dissolve tags intro using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to add tags to your project in CapCut. And here, as you can see, I have added my tags to this video. And I'm going to create a dissolve effect for this text. First of all, I'm going to click on the tags, and then we can go to the animation. And to create the dissolve tags effect, we need to apply in or out animation to our text. Here you can select in animation, and then you can scroll down to find the dissolve animation. You just need to keep scrolling down until you find the dissolve effect. Wait guys, I'm still trying to find it. Okay, this one. I'm going to select that, and then as you can see that the animation has been applied, and I'm going to apply the out animation as well. We can go to the out category and then search for the dissolve effect. Wait, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, this one, and you can adjust the duration like this. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay. Alright guys, then that's all of the tutorial to create a dissolve tags intro using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.